cannot get left. Yeah, see? I can't go. It won't let me go up. You freak. All right. So, just checking here, and check this out, guys. This isn't just the special buy of the day. It's still going on. Get your Packout light, man. 3,000 lumens of fun for everyone. And I think it's 117. I was going to say it was 109. All right. $117, guys. All joking aside, it's like 1:24 a.m. All right. If you kind of maybe are regretting you didn't get this special buy today, right? This was one of the deals, I believe. Or maybe, I don't know. Maybe it wasn't. Listen, get the Packout if you're interested. It's $117. All right. Now, if you're not in the platform, all right, you don't get the charger. So you're going to have to get that elsewhere. You do obviously get the Packout light, 3,000 lumens. It also is a charger. All right. You set up an extension cord, plug it in, put your battery in. You got light going. It's charging your battery. But it comes with a 5, so you might want to keep the 5 for $199. Remember, this is obviously a $199 light. You're getting a free battery. But obviously, most of you are going to hack the hell out of this. I mean, come on. $117. Peace out.